Okay, we're starting with 1 jar, 16 ounce of maraschino
This
cherries.
is easy to list chocolate covered cherries.
Make sure they're completely trimmed and patted dry. That is the most important step.
You may melt your chocolate chips in a microwave or double boiler.
Important tip throughout the recipe process. And our second ingredients, 1 cup or 6 ounce of chocolate chips.
Using a microwave, place your chocolate chips in a microwave-safe bowl. Set at half power and use 30-second bursts. Stir after each 30-second burst.
I'm using dark chocolate chips. Any kind will work.
Turn off the heat and continue stirring. You may need to warm it again. Don't overheat the chocolate. Leave a few pieces of unmelted chocolate in the bowl.